side menu, you will see here users and permissions. Click here and scroll down. Here you will see invite new user. Click on invite new user and write here email address of new user or user who you want to give access to your developer dashboard. So let's invite them. By entering their email address, scroll down and here click on account permissions. Click on admin all permissions. Here you can filter about permissions you give. So I'm giving admin all permissions. By selecting this, click on invite user. When you invite user, this pop-up notification will be shown. Email address whom you want to give an access here will be shown, and after this click on send invite. Here you can see invitation sent. Here you can see the email. When your user will accept the request, here you will see this is like active status. This will be shown here. When your user will accept your invitation, here it will be shown active like these both. Okay.